CADian, the best CAD solution chosen by engineers. With its pioneering technology, CADian makes it easier to design all elements in the industry. DWG files created from CADian are bi-directionally compatible with other CAD software, and CADian supports various file extensions, allowing interaction with multiple programs. In addition, familiar user interface enables all CAD users to adapt easily. CADian's perpetual license significantly reduces burden from having to renew subscription every time. In terms of drawing files leakage issue, CADian provides excellent security, so there is no need to worry about data leakage. Also, there are many convenient functions such as importing Excel table, Lisp utilization, multilingual support, printing multiple drawings at once, which improves your design quality and workflow. Should you need any help using CADian, our professional technical support team will answer your questions quickly and accurately by phone and email. With its outstanding performance and support of many different applications, CADian is preferred in various industries, such as machinery, architecture, civil engineering, and plant. Many global companies are working with CADian. Expand your world with the best CAD for you. An outstanding alternative CAD solution to design a better world. CADian.